Alright, hi, my name is Tristan Wood, and this is my final project for cs50. So what I did for my final project was I made a little 2D platformer survival game in Lua and Love.2D. So here are all my files on the left. I've got the image files that I used, which I made in Paint. I have all the sound files, which I made in GarageBand. STI just helps me turn my tiled map into data that I can use in my game. Which is actually right here, so this is what it turns this into. It just helps me get my map into my game that I made. Configurations for my game and the actual main code for my game is right here in my main file. So I have some global variables at the top, and here I have the three main functions that actually run my game. So I have the load function, which loads everything I need into my game before it starts, like visuals or sounds for my map. I have the game loop function, or the update function, which allows me to run my game and update it continuously. So this is where most of the other functions that I made are found, which allows me to actually play and run my game. And then lastly, I have my draw function, which creates all the visuals on the screen that you see. I'm not going to go into any of this too in depth because I want to show you my game. I have a little table for Caleb here, who's my main character, where I keep all his variables. And then I have a long list of functions here, most of which are found in the update function. And these either animate things, they keep track of things, or they check for things. Is pretty much what most of these functions do. They allow for movement, check physics and collision stuff. And there are a lot of them I'm not going to go through, but most of those are in my update function. So let's go to the actual game. This is my little menu screen right here. And click on start to start the game, and starts this little intro scene, which I will skip by pressing the spacebar. And it puts me at the start of the game. So you can see a little enemy spawned. I can move around with WASD. I have a double jump, can't go any higher than that. A little dash. If I go through one side of the map, I pop out on the other side. I can bounce off that. And if I run into anything, I'll go through this little death scenario, and the game will end. And if I want to start all that over again, I click retry, and it resets. So that is my CS50 game.